Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who struggles with dry, sensitive skin, or simply wants a powerhouse moisturizer to soothe and repair, then you're in the right place. Today, we're looking at the Philosophy Hope in a Jar Barrier Restore Cream, a moisturizer that promises intense hydration with a blend of HA+ complex, Cica, and ceramides. Let's see if this really lives up to its claims. The Philosophy Hope in a Jar Barrier Restore Cream is specifically designed to offer deep hydration while strengthening the skin's natural moisture barrier. At 6.2 cubic inches, it's compact, but it packs a punch in terms of performance. It's formulated with key ingredients like HA+ complex to boost hydration, Cica for its skin healing properties, and ceramides to help restore the skin's barrier. It's ideal for anyone battling dryness or irritation, and it's particularly helpful for sensitive skin. Now let's talk about how this cream actually performs. When I first applied it, the texture was smooth and rich without being overly greasy. It absorbed quickly into the skin, leaving behind a hydrated, plump feeling without a sticky residue. I've been using it in the morning and at night, and it has seamlessly integrated into my skincare routine, both before makeup and as part of my nighttime recovery process. I took this cream through various scenarios to really test its hydration claims. After washing my face, I applied it on damp skin to lock in moisture, and it felt like an instant boost for my dry patches. Even in the morning, my skin felt soft and nourished, not tight or flaky, which is something I often struggle with when using lighter moisturizers. However, I did notice that during particularly hot or humid days, the cream was a bit too heavy for my skin, and I found myself reaching for something lighter, especially if I wasn't layering it under makeup. Pros: intensely hydrating and soothing, ideal for dry or irritated skin. Quickly absorbs without leaving a greasy feeling. Packed with beneficial ingredients like Cica and ceramides, which help heal and restore the skin's barrier. Versatile for both morning and evening use. Cons: it might feel too heavy for those with oily skin, especially during hotter months. The price point could be a concern for some, considering the size. In terms of value for money, Philosophy's Barrier Restore Cream is certainly a premium product, but it delivers. The hydration is noticeable, and it works well for anyone needing to repair or maintain their skin's moisture barrier. That said, if you're on a budget, there are other moisturizers with ceramides or similar ingredients that might offer a similar benefit at a lower price point. When comparing this to other bare-restoring moisturizers like CeraVe's Moisturizing Cream or La Roche-Posay's Toleriane Double Repair Face Moisturizer, Philosophy's formula feels slightly richer and more luxurious. While those alternatives do a great job at hydrating and restoring the skin, they don't offer quite the same level of soothing properties from Cica, which makes Philosophy stand out in this category. As for the build quality, the packaging is simple and sturdy. It's a glass jar, which feels luxurious but can be less practical for travel, and the screw-on lid may not be ideal for those who prefer pump dispensers. The cream itself lasts for a decent amount of time, and I've seen no significant change in texture or performance as the jar gets emptier, which is always a positive sign for consistency. I didn't have any direct customer service experience with Philosophy, but the brand is known for its generally solid customer support and responsive service. If you're looking for an alternative, CeraVe's Moisturizing Cream is a more affordable option with ceramides and is excellent for hydration and skin barrier repair. It's not as rich, but it's still a great choice for those seeking something more budget-friendly. So, does the Philosophy Hope in a Jar Barrier Restore Cream live up to its promises? For those with dry or sensitive skin, this product offers a solid solution to restore hydration and protect the skin's barrier. It's especially great for those dealing with irritation or redness, and its Cica and ceramide blend gives it a slight edge over other moisturizers in the same category. However, if you have oily skin or are sensitive to rich formulas, this might feel a bit heavy. If this review helped you decide, or if you're curious to try it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you never miss an honest expert review from Beautyistic. Your support helps us bring more honest content to beauty lovers everywhere. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check the link to purchase in the description box below. Have you used this product? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.